Okay, time to try it, I guess. Okay. Alright, it works. I have one thing left to do, and that's put the vehicle stop plates in the front. Alright, the vehicle stop plates are installed, which keep it from rolling off, so I'm gonna go ahead and lift the car. What a dork. Well, seems to work. Well, that happens a lot faster with the car on there. So looks like it sits on the lock things, alright. Alright, there it is. It's sitting in the top lock position. So yeah, I guess that's what it looks like. There it is. I have a car on a lift in my garage. So awesome. Relatively uneventful, actually. The car went up and it sat on the locks, and now I can work on my cars with ease, hopefully. Yeah, I'm pretty psyched. Oh, look at that. I got an expansion joint going. Oh, look at this. I got to do this, and oh, I got to do this. Oh, I just created a lot of work for myself. Cool. I could do an oil change, but I'm curious to see if the Suburban fits on here, so I'm going to go ahead and let it down. First, you got to let it up off the locks. Oh, it's about as high as it goes. And it goes down quite a bit faster. I'm actually really psyched with that. Another happy customer. Damn. Sweet. Cool. So now I'm going to try the Suburban.